Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I have 4 phone cases for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. They're from a company called Clayco, and we're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today in the show, I have some phone cases for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. They are from a company called Clayco, and they've sent me 4 colors to take a look at. So we have a black color, just like this. We got the blue color, kind of a two-tone blue. Kind of a cool there. Kind of a lighter purple. And we have kind of a hotter pink for the ladies out there. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to open up the blue one here. And right away, when I'm touching this and feeling this, it's kind of a softer rubber feel. So I'll show you how soft that is. Look at that. All right. So if you're looking for something like a non-slip grip, but a nice soft rubber feel, this is great. And they come in with a built-in screen protector. So let's go ahead and put that over the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I have a dummy right here. And I should be getting the phone in about a week or two, and so we'll be setting that up. But it does come with a sticker. Don't peel that off until you're ready, but that sets, you can set up your fingerprint on that. So then you just snap that in there, and then go ahead and put this in place, just like that. Nice, easy to set up, and then just kind of around the edges, just kind of close that up, fit in the seams there. Nice, right there. So you can see around the camera part there, the camera lens, that you have a kind of a beveled edge, and I'll show you kind of a close-up look. It extrudes out a little bit, so that helps protect your camera lens from getting scratched. So if you put this on a surface like this, it won't, hurt your camera lens. So that's kind of nice. I like the rectangle shape there. Also around here you have the buttons for your volume control and your on and off, and you have the open ports for your I guess your pin right here and your charger. So nice. I like the color of this blue one. I really like that. I like that kind of a lighter blue edge that goes around there like that. Look at this. Nice. So if you like the blue one here or the purple, or a black one, or the hot pink for the ladies out there, whichever one you want, I will have a link down below in the description. You can find these at their company. I'm sure they have other colors and styles. Make sure you check out the link there I'll send you, and like always, make sure you have a fun day. Also, subscribe. We would love that, because we're going to have a lot of tips and tricks on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Adios. Bye-bye.